Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. And like everyone else, our hearts go out to the people of Ukraine. This week's subject is options when you just can't pay your bills. Perhaps your hours are reduced at work, or you just got divorced, or maybe you're unemployed, or you're having some medical issues. It happens. Unemployment compensation, government assistance, or insurance may be there to help in these situations. What you do now can impact your financial future and just how severe your financial problems may become. It's time to take charge of your financial future. First of all, let's talk about increasing your income or decreasing your expenses. If something happens to you, a lot of people do have options. They could get a second job, they can look at their budget and decrease expenses. What about debt? List your current debts and their items. Pay attention to the type of debt, whether it's a mortgage, student loan, or credit card debt, for example. Each type of debt has different ramifications to non-payment. It might be possible to restructure some of these. To increase cash flow, you might try to increase the term. The result of this is that it will take longer to repay the debt, although if things get better in your life, you could accelerate those debt payments and may add to interest cost over the long term if you can. Consolidating debt might be another option. Consolidating may allow you to pay overdue loans by rolling over the debt into one single loan. You may also be able to work out a longer payment period, allowing for lower monthly payment amounts. Even if you can't do either of these things, if you're having problems paying your debt, contact your creditors and tell them that you are having these problems. They may be able to work with you on a payment schedule. Calling early can facilitate the process. The creditor's website may provide some initial information on that process as well. There are also some organizations, credit counseling organizations, that can help. Now, some of these organizations will charge money to give you their services. There are also some that are nonprofits and charge very little. One of those is consumer credit counseling. I've recommended that a lot of people go to consumer credit counseling over the decades that I've been practicing, who were having issues. Now, these agencies provide the same basic service as a credit counselor, but at little to no cost. Now, restructure your debt through bankruptcy, that's kind of a last choice. If possible, you can do that. There are different types of bankruptcy that are available depending on what is happening to you. There's bankruptcies for farmers, there's bankruptcies for business. Check it out if you need it. There are some good bankruptcy attorneys that can help you out. Not being able to pay your bills can certainly be stressful. Make sure to communicate with your friends and family to make sure you receive the support you need. Developing a plan as early as possible will also help you get through those difficult times.